let me show you how to make a realistic gold layer style inside Photoshop. Once we are in the layer styles panel, the first thing we want to add is a pattern overlay, and you can download the same one as well as the project files from the link in the description, completely free. Now, if you want to use another one, I recommend you use a cloudy, noisy, grungy texture. This will be the base. Next, we want to add a gradient overlay, and you can copy my setup here, but essentially we want some shadows and highlights to work within the pattern. Set this to color and then duplicate it. Change the blending mode to normal and decrease the opacity a bit. With this, we're essentially getting rid of some of the darker and lighter tones. This will make everything blend in better after. Now let's work on the highlights. Pretty simple, just some orange tones from the top right side, and then we do a lighter one on the bottom left. Now let's go to the bevel and emboss, and this is where the magic happens. Now, same theory, we want some orange tints, both from the highlights and from the shadows. And the gloss contour is a bit tricky, but you can copy my setup here. We're essentially looking for a loop that gives us more light bounces. And you will understand this once I click on the contour here. I opted for a rounded shape. This gives us some pretty good highlights. Now to blend everything together and make it look super realistic, we're just going to click on texture, and in my case, I used the toned down version, which means I brought the opacity super low to the original pattern here, and I just added some depth and kept the scale the same. You can play around obviously with the input, but this looks pretty good. Now you can save this style to your layer styles, which will make it available for all future uses. Now, again, you can download everything for free from my website, and I'll see you in the next.